guys? What is going on? This is gonna be Tuesday's ride, and let me show you guys something real quick. This is how windy it is out today. Let me show you real quick. Look at this, guys. Hold on, let me take the phone off. It feels like it's 78 degrees, so it's super nice out, but look at the wind, guys. It says 30-mile-per-hour gusts and 17-mile-per-hour winds, and that is going right along with us. So we're riding in some high winds today. As you see up here, it says windy, but we're riding in some really high winds today, guys. So please do me a solid favor, give this ride a like. You guys will see this on Tuesday. This will be Tuesday's ride. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit the bell notification button, and make sure all is turned on so you guys don't miss out on a video upload. And with that being said, let's go. Like I said, it's really windy out, so we're not going to ride for long, but we're going to get Tuesday's ride made. I couldn't just not go for a ride today, but it's super windy out. So I guess I could put in the title, riding my motorcycle in high winds or something like that, you know. Make it a little clickbaity for you guys, but it's not really clickbait because it's true. I showed you guys the wind gust and the wind mile per hour, and so I'm not lying. You know how some of those people put a clickbait title and clickbait thumbnail, and the next thing you know, you don't even see what they put in their thumbnail or title in the video. You're like, what the frick, man? You know? beginner rider, I would definitely not recommend you riding in these high winds like I do. This is Tuesday's ride. I got Monday's ride recorded, I got Sunday's recorded, this is going to be Tuesday's, and then if I do Wednesdays after this, that means all the way up to Wednesday I do pre-record rides for when it gets too cold out, which will be perfect. Already saw how windy it was outside. And like I said, if you're a beginner, I don't recommend you guys to ride in this much wind. Maybe like you want to maybe do like 15 mile per hour gusts and like 10 mile per hour winds. That's getting up there, but for a beginner. But since I've been riding like my whole life, go straight. You gonna go straight? Go straight, man. So we're gonna hit the main road a little bit. Like I said, I'm an experienced rider. I've been riding for over 10 years. But if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you to just stay in on the windy days like this. Look at all the trees up there blowing. And those trees are behind trees, so that's how you know it's windy. Look at those. had a biker pass us and he was waving to us, like he was waving. He must be a subscriber or something. If you are, shout out to you, brother. Ride safe. Looked like he was on a KTM. I don't know, it was orange. Oh, he had like orange cars on it. I don't know. ride it solo, and that's something I need to start doing, is looking for a partner to ride with so we can get some cool angle shots. Man, it's nice out though, but it's just so windy. It's honking. Probably another Karen driver. Man, don't you love those Karens? They're just the best people ever, I swear. That Karen wasn't honking at me, but I don't even know who honked. I just know somebody nearby honked. I mean, heck, they might have been saying hi to me. Who knows? I don't know. Imagine they're saying hi to us and their windows broke so they couldn't roll it down. Question mark. That's their way of saying hi. Everybody's saying hi today. What's up, everybody? How's everybody's day going today? Next summer, I promise I'll have a mic for the GoPro, so that'll fix that situation of you guys not being able to hear me that good at some parts. Come on, man, don't ride my butt. Be smart. Don't be a Karen, please. I'm not trying to title this video Karen Driver or anything to do with a Karen. I don't want to title this video as that. I already got a title in mind for this video, so please don't be that person. We're gonna pull left in here, guys. We're gonna see what the video's at, the ride. And I think I'm gonna end it here, and then I might record, what did I say this ride was? It was Tuesday's ride, I think, or was it Wednesday's? I think it was Tuesday's. Yeah, I think this is Tuesday's ride, right? I might record Wednesdays, because I'm pretty sure this is Tuesday's. So let's see where we're at. I'm pretty sure we're going on like 15 minutes. 13 minutes. Well, that's good. That's good. That's perfect for me. Is that perfect for you guys? I hope so. Because I'm gonna end this ride here, and we're gonna start our Wednesday's ride, if I'm correct, because this is Tuesdays. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in Wednesday's ride. Peace.